How to fix speaker is not working in Huawei Mate 70. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. And click on do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down in last and click on system and updates and click on reset and click on reset all settings. And here you can again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.